Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want your monthly Etsy statement as a CSV instead of a PDF? I mean, it's your choice. You maybe just dislike the fact of having it as a PDF, it's totally fine. So inside Etsy you can export monthly data in spreadsheet format for any deeper analysis. So in today's small tutorial, we're going to go through how to actually generate a CSV from your Etsy monthly statement. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So what we're going to do now is the usual stuff. Open your device. Go and check the Wi-Fi. If everything is looking good, go and open your favorite browser. Then look for Etsy.com or just Etsy. Then we're going to go and look for this link. Tap on it. You can also use the app, by the way, if you are on Android or iOS or whatsoever. So we're going to go to Etsy.com, tap on this thing, come here, log in using our email address and password to access this dashboard. Then go all the way to look for Shop Manager. Then click on Finances, open the payment account, then select the month you want. Click Download Data instead of PDF. Then choose CSV format, then click on Generate. Now you can open it in Excel, Google, or basically Google Sheets. As for like a bonus tips, use pivot tables to track profit trends. Compare monthly as spent with versus revenue. This is better than PDF if you need calculations. But if you just need a different format, you can always go through some sites like I Love PDF whatsoever, change the PDF format to a doc maybe or whatsoever. It depends on you. So thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.